Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a fundamental obstacle that holds us back from achieving our dreams and goals, the mindset of "I can't." This limiting belief can manifest in various areas of our lives, from public speaking to taking risks, and even pursuing our passions. But what if I told you that you have the power to change that mindset and unlock your full potential? Let's dive in and explore how. Have you ever wondered where this mindset comes from? Often, it's rooted in our past experiences, fears, and societal conditioning. We may have been told we're not good enough, or we've faced failures and setbacks that have led us to believe we're incapable. But it's essential to recognize that these experiences don't define our potential. When we embrace the "I can't" mindset, we miss out on opportunities for growth, learning, and success. We play it safe, stick to our comfort zones, and never reach our full potential. This mindset also affects our self-esteem, confidence, and overall well-being. So, how can we break free from this limiting belief? By reframing our negative thoughts and replacing them with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can learn and grow from this experience." Instead of, "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm capable and strong." See how that feels? You have the power to choose your mindset. You can choose to believe in yourself and your abilities. You can choose to take risks, try new things, and embrace challenges. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step, and every successful person started somewhere. So, what's holding you back? Take the first step today. I know it's not easy to overcome fear and self-doubt, but it's essential to recognize that they're natural parts of the growth process. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started in the first place. Focus on your strengths, celebrate your small wins, and surround yourself with positive influences. Resilience is key to overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. By developing a growth mindset, learning from failures, and persisting through challenges, you'll become unstoppable. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and come back stronger. In conclusion, the "I can't" mindset is a choice, and it's time to make a change. You have the power to unlock your potential, achieve your dreams, and live a fulfilling life. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. For the next week, every time you catch yourself saying, "I can't," stop and reframe it with "I can." See how it changes your mindset and behavior. You got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-healing content. Remember, your mind is powerful, and you have the ability to achieve anything you set your mind to.